All right, a bit of a slow news day today. Judge did approve the sale of Sears to Eddie Lampert, which I find quite disappointing. I find it a bit of a joke. I think Eddie Lampert has rigged the system. He owns a hedge fund that he set up in such a manner with Sears and all these arrangements so that his hedge fund couldn't lose any money, but everybody else did. So all these creditors are out. This sale does not pay off the creditors. Eddie Lampert's hedge fund was paid back the money it invested, and now he's going to buy out the company, I guess, in a private deal. And all these creditors are screaming, bloody murder. And I agree with him. It's ridiculous that he can just set this up in such a way that his hedge fund gets paid back and these other people are out. And the second point is, what is he doing anyways? Sears is dead. It's unrecoverable. I don't know what he thinks he's going to do with it. I don't know if it's his ego or what's going on. He tried since 2005, put together with Kmart and Sears, and it's an impossible task. The brand name is completely shot. It's a mark in history. It was a great company in its day. I don't see how they compete with Amazon, Walmart, all the other retailers out there. And I don't get it. I'm quite disappointed that a judge would allow this to happen. They should go into bankruptcy and pay off the creditors as best they can. That's what should happen. All right, moving on. Postmates, a food delivery company, is going to go public, which I've never actually heard of Postmates, but apparently it's quite big. It's bigger than Grubhub. It has 42% market share compared to Grubhub at 24%. Interestingly, Grubhub's actually quite a good company. The return on capital is quite good, although the stock is quite expensive. And this is just going to put more pressure on all of these guys because this Postmates is already quite a good competitor. It's going to raise some money in the IPO. That's going to be a tough market. I don't see how long term these companies survive. Grubhub, well, they'll survive, but I don't know how they make a lot of money. Grubhub, Uber Eats, Postmates, local guys. It's just going to be a very, very difficult market. Okay, BB&T trust merger. BB&T and Suntrust in a merger could spark a wave of bank mergers. I can see that. I don't cover the banking sector, but I obviously have to follow it. And this could be interesting. These are smaller banks, regional banks, and that could spark some mergers. That would be very interesting. Okay, Sony makes its first ever share buyback. Shares are up quite a bit on that news, but I'm only bringing this up in case anybody thought that this was a good company to buy. I don't think it is. They have a ton of debt. Sony is just not the company it used to be. Lousy return on capital business. Shares have done largely nothing except for maybe recently, and it's just not the company it used to be. So this to me is just a temporary little pop, and I don't see Sony coming back unless something else is going on, but I don't see it. Okay, futures are down for the second day in a row, so looks like we're not going to have a great trading day. And as I said, it's a slow news day, so I got a little bonus coverage. Raptors acquired Marc Gasol in a trade with the Grizzlies, and my opinion is that's a good idea. Raptors got to go for it now. We don't know if Kawhi Leonard's going to be back next year, but we got a great roster right now. We got a great record. We mortgaged the future a little bit, and we're going to miss out on Jonas for sure, and DeLon Wright. But Gasol is a better player right now, and we have to be in a go for it now mode. All right, there's your little bonus coverage. Let's see how the markets open up today. It looks like it's going to be down.